everybody on Pinky Clan. This is a cute little Willowbreeze and Bluefur. They're having a super fun second day as our foster kittens. These little sisters love playing. They come out of their shells a lot, huh? Right now they're practicing their moves for when they're warriors someday. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can get some more shots of Blue's adorable face. Hi Blue, hi Blue, hi Blue. Ooh, look at her, she's coming for you. Oh, she got you. I'd say Willowbreeze is a little bit more playful and aggressive at the play. She does a lot more of the attacking, and Bluefur does more defending. Did you see your tail? Oh my goodness! This is funny. This is just them in their own little world playing. I wonder what the game is. Hi Willowbreeze. Ooh, you guys have a fun cat tree? Hi. Oh, you are adorable. Did you find a mousey? Let me see. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Yeah, these guys are so cute. Let me know in the comments down below which one you think is gonna make a better warrior. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yay! I've been having so fun with these little kittens today. I love you. I love you. Hi. They're starting to warm up to being petted more because they were kind of scared the first day we got them, but they're okay with being petted now. Hi, Bluefur. Hi. Hi. Are you playing? Is your sister trying to get your tail? That's not very nice. That's not very nice, Willowbreeze. No. But yeah, these are our foster kittens. Adorable. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.